Hey, Mr. Allred here. We've been talking about exponents and roots or radicals, and now we're combining the two into rational exponents. And when I say rational, you should think fraction. So here we have some roots, and we're going to write them using exponents. So the first one is just the square root of x. And it's understood that this is root 2. Well, the second root is a better way of saying that, the second root of x. So we know that it's to the power of 1, so that'll be a 1 on top of the fraction, and the root is 2. So 2 in the denominator, so x to the 1/2. So if we add those little things in there that we don't see, we can see where things come from. The second one is the cube root of x squared. So under the radical there's a 2. So that's the exponent, or the numerator, and it's the cube root, so that's the denominator, x to the 2/3. The next one is the fourth root of x to the 5th y squared, and we know that we can apply that fourth root to both of these separately. So we will say that is x to the 5/4 and y to the 2/4. Which, if we can, we will simplify the fraction which we can on the y. So we'll say it's x to the 5/4 and y to the 1/2. All right, thank you.